Russian Spacewalk 60 will be conducted by Sergei Prokopiev, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Dmitry Petelin, EV-2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with 2 micrometeoroid debris, or MMOD, shield bundles, with each crew securing a bundle to themselves. After stowing the bundles, they'll turn on the helmet video and lights, then begin translation to Strela 2, a telescopic pole that can be used as a crane to move crew and equipment around. Once they arrive at the Zarya module, the crew will continue nadir onto the Rasyet module until they reach the first MMOD shield install worksite. Crew will work together to install 2 shields. They'll then translate further nadir where the last shield will be installed. From there, Sergei and Dmitry will translate to Rasyet's aft face, where they'll arrive at the portable workstation. The portable workstation is removed from Rasyet and installed onto the European Robotic Arm, or ERA. Once the workstation is installed, ERA will maneuver over to the Poisk module. Sergei and Dmitry will retrieve a few launch restraints and begin translation back to the Poisk module, stopping at the Strela 1 operator's post to temporarily stow the restraints. Sergei and Dmitry will then each retrieve a crew lock bag from the airlock and stow it on their suits. The crew will then translate nadir to the Nauka module via Strela 1 and meet up with ERA and the portable workstation. Sergei will ingress the workstation while Dmitry positions himself to take imagery of the robotic operations. ERA will perform a lengthy maneuver with Sergei and arrive back at that Nauka module ingress point. Sergei will egress the portable workstation and both him and Dmitry will translate back Zenith to the Poisk airlock. Crew will retrieve a protective shroud bundle from the airlock and translate to the Strela 1 operator's post. Sergei will ingress the operator's post foot restraint, and together the crew will jettison both the shroud bundle and the launch restraints that were stowed earlier in the spacewalk. Once the jettison is complete, the pair will translate back to the airlock and perform a tool inventory. After inspecting each other's suits, the crew will ingress and close the hatch, ending Russian Spacewalk 60.
Subscribe for more space.